music is addressed to my people, especially to make them more curious about where they came from and their own identity and pride in that identity.
Okay, guys, welcome back. It's your girl Rogue, and now I'm going to show you guys how I attach my grow lights to my greenhouse. Now, like I said, this was a 6-pack of grow lights. I'm only going to use 4 in this one. The plants that I am using, they don't need that much light, and this is a, what do they call it? Full spectrum. This is a full spectrum grow light. So now that you have already built your structure, the first thing you need to do is you're going to remove your bottom, which is your base or the cage that's on top of your rods. You're going to take your grow light, make sure that you put the power button, to the front, because you're going to want to turn the power on and off. Now these, they are said to not be waterproof, but they can go in the greenhouse. There are 3 ways that they can be attached. The instructions are really light, which I was disappointed in. They don't give that much with the instructions, but they do give you all the tools that you need, except for maybe a screwdriver if you're going to actually be attaching this to a wall for it to hang from. But everything else is here, including the zip ties, okay? Like, they gave you everything that you need except for a screwdriver. So you're going to take this. Now, these are attached down here. They have an attachment where you can plug 2 of them together and only use 1 power cord. It is the same attachment that comes with the power cord. So, and both ends are open, so you can put your power cord on either end, depending on where your power source is coming from or your outlet is. I'm not going to use the attachment that comes with it because I used it on these 2. Now, if I wanted to, I could have attached all of my lights to this 1 power source, but I kind of messed up and didn't attach the power cord to the bottom one, so that's not an option for me now. What I will do is add the attachment to it, just so if I decide to put a light up here or 2 lights up here, I can do that. So there it is. It's plugged in. This is the other side of the power cord. They do also send you these little attachments, and I believe those are to close off. Say if I'm leaving this empty or open, I put this right in here, and this seals it and closes it off. That's my best option for it. Otherwise, I'm not sure why they added those into there, because you can't connect the power source to it. So I take 2 zip ties. They give you, I believe I received 12 zip ties. So I take the zip ties, I find where my source is. Let me put this to the other side, because my power cord will go that way. Put this on here. Now I want to take 1 zip tie in the beginning. Oh, make sure when you put this on here, hold on. Oops. Make sure that you have everything attached that you need. I said I was going to take it off the other end, but I needed, I had it right the first time. Need it on here. So I take my power cord, connect that on there, and remember, put it to whatever side your plug is on. I'm going to put this right in this little hole right here. That's not what it's there for, but that's what I use it for. It's kind of like a little holder for me. I take my zip tie I run it through, run it underneath. Okay, guys, so once I have it attached here, it's not all the way tightened. I just slide it over, just like so. And then I just move it to the back. Now, it's up to you if you want to cut it or do whatever. I chose not to cut mine for now, but it's up to you. Take the other side, and this is just so that it is a balance on it. Put your zip tie through, pull it. And voila, my lights are attached, and that's it. Give me 1 second and I will light it up for you. And voila, this is my at-home green, or my in-home greenhouse. I cannot wait to add everything in and have all my plants growing. You know, you guys will get all the videos of it. My heating mats are on there. I have 2 of them there. I will have surge protectors in this for here, just in case, because we always have to be careful, especially when I have so many things connected and lit up and plugged in. Just put my little my heating pads on here. Each row can actually hold 2 heating pads. I'm just going to use 1. So I'm just going to use 1 heating pad on each row. Like so. And that's it. You can put your cover back on, and then it's snug away right in there. I'll be moving the kids' sports chest back over here, and it'll still give me room to go to the greenhouse. That's it, guys. Thank you for coming in with me today to see how I add my grow lights to my greenhouse. Right here, you can see how I put my greenhouse together. It was actually pretty easy, like less than 20 minutes to put the whole thing together. All the links will be below. They are not sponsored links at this time. And that's it. Find a reason to smile. Thanks for coming, cousins. Y'all have a great day. Bye. Okay, so one correction on something that I told y'all. This is actually a closure. Bring it in. Bring it in. This is actually a closure that you can use. If you enjoyed this video from Main Cuisine, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Also, hit us up on all of our social media. Comment, let us know what you want to see from us, because this channel is for you. Bye, cousins.